Alex is an artist. Alex paints beautiful landscapes. People around the world want to buy Alex's art. But Alex has a problem. Getting paid is hard. Banks charge Alex high fees for international transfers. The process is slow and confusing. Alex loses money. Alex is frustrated. Traditional banks control money. They act as middlemen for transactions. This system has been around for centuries, but it has limitations. Banks charge fees for their services. These fees can be high, especially for international transactions. Transfers can take days to process. This system is outdated. Enter cryptocurrency. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others are changing the game. They offer a new way to send and receive money. Cryptocurrency is digital money. It exists only online. It uses cryptography for security. This makes it very difficult to counterfeit. Cryptocurrency is decentralized. This means no single entity controls it. Not governments, not banks. This makes it resistant to censorship and manipulation. Transactions are recorded on a blockchain. A blockchain is a public ledger. It is very secure. This ensures transparency and trust. Section 5. Transparency in transactions. In today's digital age, the concept of transparency in transactions has become more crucial than ever. Blockchain technology is at the forefront of this revolution, offering a new level of openness and accountability. Every transaction is recorded on the blockchain. This digital ledger is decentralized and distributed across a network of computers, ensuring that no single entity has control over the entire chain. Each transaction is time-stamped and linked to the previous one, creating an immutable chain of records. This record is permanent and public. Anyone can view it. This level of transparency is unprecedented in traditional financial systems, where transaction details are often hidden or only accessible to certain parties. With blockchain, anyone with internet access can verify and audit transactions in real time. This creates transparency and accountability. Businesses can build trust with their customers by providing verifiable proof of transactions. This is particularly beneficial in industries where trust is paramount, such as finance, supply chain, and healthcare. This transparency reduces the risk of fraud. Since every transaction is recorded and cannot be altered, it becomes extremely difficult for malicious actors to manipulate the system. Fraud detection and prevention become more efficient as irregularities can be quickly identified and addressed. It also makes it easier to track transactions. For businesses, this means streamlined auditing processes and more accurate financial reporting. For consumers, it means greater confidence in the integrity of their transactions. This benefits both buyers and sellers. Buyers can be assured that they are getting what they paid for, while sellers can prove the authenticity and origin of their products. Overall, blockchain technology fosters a more transparent, secure, and trustworthy environment for all parties involved. Section 6. Breaking down borders with Bitcoin. In today's interconnected world, the ability to send and receive money across borders has become more crucial than ever. Traditional banking systems often come with high fees, long processing times, and various restrictions that can make international transactions cumbersome and expensive. This is where Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies come into play, offering a revolutionary way to break down these financial barriers. Cryptocurrency can be sent anywhere in the world. Unlike traditional banking systems, which require intermediaries and can take days to process, cryptocurrencies operate on a decentralized network. This means that transactions can be made directly between individuals without the need for a middleman. This not only speeds up the process, but also reduces the cost significantly, instantly, with low fees. The speed and cost-effectiveness of cryptocurrency transactions are two of their most significant advantages. Traditional bank transfers, especially international ones, can take several days to complete and often come with hefty fees. In contrast, cryptocurrency transactions can be completed in a matter of minutes, regardless of the distance between the sender and the receiver. The fees associated with these transactions are also typically much lower than those charged by banks. This is a game changer for artists like Alex. For many artists, reaching a global audience has always been a dream. However, the logistics of selling art internationally, including shipping costs and payment processing fees, can be daunting. Cryptocurrencies offer a solution to these challenges, enabling artists to sell their work to anyone, anywhere in the world, without worrying about the complexities of international transactions. Alex can now sell art to anyone, anywhere. By accepting cryptocurrency payments, Alex can tap into a global market of buyers who are eager to purchase unique and original pieces of art. This opens up new opportunities for artists to expand their reach and grow their business beyond their local market. The ability to accept payments in cryptocurrency also means that artists can avoid the high fees and long processing times associated with traditional payment methods. Buyers can pay Alex directly without high bank fees. One of the most significant benefits of using cryptocurrency for transactions is the elimination of intermediaries. This means that buyers can pay artists like Alex directly without having to go through banks or other financial institutions. This not only speeds up the payment process, but also reduces the costs associated with these transactions. For artists, this means more of the sale price goes directly into their pockets, rather than being eaten up by fees. Alex receives payments much faster. The speed of cryptocurrency transactions is another major advantage for artists. Traditional payment methods can take several days to process, especially for international transactions. With cryptocurrency, payments are typically confirmed within minutes, allowing artists to access their funds much more quickly. This can be particularly beneficial for artists who rely on timely payments to manage their cash flow and continue creating their work. Section 7. Owning your finances. Cryptocurrency gives individuals more control over their money. No more relying on banks, no more exorbitant fees. Users have access to their funds 24/7. They can send and receive payments anytime, anywhere. This empowers individuals and businesses alike. Section 8. The future of money. Cryptocurrency is still evolving. It faces challenges and uncertainties, but its potential is undeniable. Will it replace traditional banking? Will it become the future of money? Only time will tell. Section 9. The crypto question. In recent years, the world of finance has been shaken by the emergence of cryptocurrency. This digital form of currency has sparked debates, inspired innovation, and even caused some to question the very nature of money itself. Cryptocurrency offers both benefits and risks. On one hand, it has created immense wealth for early adopters and savvy investors. Stories of people turning modest investments into fortunes are not uncommon. The decentralized nature of cryptocurrency means that it operates independently of traditional banking systems, providing an alternative to those who distrust conventional financial institutions. It promises financial freedom and innovation. The technology behind cryptocurrency, known as blockchain, is revolutionizing the way we think about transactions and data security. Blockchain ensures that every transaction is transparent and immutable, reducing the risk of fraud. This has applications far beyond just currency, potentially transforming industries like supply chain management, healthcare, and even voting systems. But it also presents volatility and security concerns. The value of cryptocurrencies can fluctuate wildly in short periods, leading to significant financial losses for some. Additionally, the digital nature of these currencies makes them a target for hackers. High-profile security breaches have resulted in the loss of millions of dollars worth of cryptocurrency, raising questions about the safety of digital assets. One thing is certain: cryptocurrency is a powerful force. Its impact on the global financial system cannot be ignored. Governments and financial institutions are taking notice, with some countries even exploring the creation of their own digital currencies. The potential for cryptocurrency to democratize finance and provide access to banking services for the unbanked is a compelling argument for its continued development. It is reshaping the financial landscape. Traditional banks are now exploring blockchain technology to improve their services, and new financial products are being developed to cater to the growing interest in digital assets. The integration of cryptocurrency into mainstream finance is no longer a question of if, but when. The question is, are you ready to join the revolution? As with any investment, it's crucial to do your research and understand the risks involved. Cryptocurrency represents a new frontier in finance, one that offers both incredible opportunities and significant challenges. Whether you're an investor, a tech enthusiast, or simply curious about the future of money, the world of cryptocurrency is one